everyone, Lewis Bittle here, Hair for All. So, next question is, do I find it expensive having a hair system? Yes, it is an expense. I'm not going to lie to you and say no, it's not expensive, but is it worth that price? Absolutely. I think it's the same principle as what women pay for having hair extensions or having colouring done every month or so. You know, you've got to weigh these things up, and having hair is, if that's something which is so important to you, is there a price on that? I don't think there is. And if I weigh up with having something like a hair transplant, and where it's not guaranteed in terms of the actual outcome or the actual thickness of the hair, you know, you've got a guaranteed hair with this hair system, so you don't have the fear of thinking, is it going to work? You know, I just think it's absolutely worth every penny you put in for it. And I certainly don't ever think to myself, oh, it's this. You do genuinely think that's the cost of it, and I just basically fill that in with my monthly pay. So when I know that in 5 or 6 months, I know that it's not one big lump sum, I've basically filtered it in, so I know that every 6 months I need to get my hair done.